How is it? Ugh, come on.
I feel good.
Dun, dun.
We cracked under pressure. Yes.
Come on, you guys were doing good at rehearsal.
I don't know what comes after that. So good. So good.
We're in San Francisco, so we can officially hold hands.
That's wrong. I'm sorry. I really don't think that's hot.
Edit that out.
No.
Edit that out.
Okay.
You need to edit that out. Okay. You know what?
Okay, what are you doing?
So there's this girl named Francine.
Uh-huh.
She's standing in front of us. Who's like really like I can't tell everybody, but I think she's annoying.
What's that phrase from Little Rascals? You know,
It's gone between my toes. And I want a pickle. I got a pickle. Oh.
Oh.
And she
Okay.
also- and she
Oh
also-
my.
And she also,
Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my. And she also likes sausage.
She
That's
likes
key.
sausage?
That's key. Everyone's gotta love that. Okay, well not everyone.
Do you like sausage?
That's trick question.
Whoa! Who was that? Who was that? Okay. That was wrong. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, cut?
No.
No?
Keep rolling.
Keep rolling.
Keep rolling. What's next? Improv.
Improv, come on.
Great improv.
Go. Knock me back here. Oh my. Wait.
Yeah, improv.
Improv. Bring you with me.
So to the right, as you can see,
the right,
there's
we
a
are leaving.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
There, yes.
I read on the screen that no.
Has are formed. Yeah, I mean, some say it's a conspiracy theory designed by the government that, like, there's no way such a small skeleton could support such a big head like that. You think about it, with arms like that, there's no way it could tear apart its victim.
Okay.
Yes, Dr. Felix, I fully agree.
Okay.
And
bye.
cut.